All right, excuse me. Computer Technology, Word, Chapter 3. We're going to take care of letters and resumes this lesson, or this chapter. This lesson will be resumes. I've opened Word. I've selected a blank document. I'm going to go back to the instructions under CanaanLetter. Here's a link to the example. So this is what the finished product should look similar to. This is also where you'll get your information so you know exactly what to type. And then here's the link to the instructions. Okay, so in the instructions, it tells you exactly what to do, where to go for each thing, for each step. And what else do I need to tell you before we get started? Ours is going to look a little different because we have a new version of Word, and it should have all the same information, but it should have all the same information in similar formatting. So the thing I'm going to tell you to start with is look at your example, and let's start with the heading. Okay, we're going to split the screen by picking up our Word document, moving it all the way to the right, and then coming over here and picking up our web documents and moving it all the way to the left. So now it tells us exactly what we need to do. So we're going to open Microsoft Word, which we've done. We're going to go to Home tab, Styles Group, no spacing. Home tab, Styles Group. I'm going to drop this down. I'm going to choose no spacing. Under the Design tab, Document Formatting Group, Theme Button, I'm going to choose Ion Boardroom. So, Design tab, Document Formatting, Design tab, Document Formatting, Theme Button. I'm going to choose Ion Boardroom, Ion Boardroom. There we go. Right there. Okay. I'm going to change the font size to 20. Going to the Home tab. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this. Font group, font size to 20. Change the text color by going to the Home tab. The font group, text color, theme color, and let's choose the purple accent 6. So theme color is this one. Theme color, find the purple. Accent 6, 50% darker. And then we're going to type Lana, her name, which is Lana Halima Canaan. We're going to hit enter. So the cursor is below the name. We're going to insert tab, illustrations group, online picture, textbook with Apple. So we're going to insert online picture. We're going to search Bing for textbook, Apple. We're going to click Show All Web Results. And then it says choose the third from the left, which, because it's the internet, that has changed. So we're going to try to find one. This one's fine. And we're going to click it and insert. Now, when the picture is selected, the Format tab is displayed. So the picture selected, you've got your Format tab right here. Size group. So under the Format tab, the size group, choose the dialog box, launcher, or the More button or Layout button, and scale the item. We want, okay, Format tab, size group, choose the dialog dialog box launcher, and we want to scale it, which is here. This one, let's just scale it down by 10%. So I just left it on 90. And we basically want it to take up half of her name. That's whatever one you decide. You don't want it to be too big. And you can use the squares around. You can use the squares around the picture to adjust the size of the picture as well. Okay, with the picture still selected, we're going to choose the Format tab, which is available because the picture is selected. Adjust Group, which is Adjust is right here. Color, Recolor, and Purple. Color, Recolor, Purple Accent 6. And that changes the color of the picture. Make sure your rulers are displayed. To do that, which we've already talked about, you go to the View tab, Show Group, click Ruler. Show Group, click Ruler. It's already clicked. Then we're going to set tabs now. So we're going to click outside of the picture. Go to the Home tab, Paragraph Group, Dialog Box Launcher. We're going to click the Tabs button. You're going to, in the tab stop position, type 6.5. Change alignment to the right. Click Set and OK. So now I can hit the tab button on my keyboard and it takes me over to the tab stop, which is 6.5 inches over. And yeah. So we're going to change the font size to 10. We're going to change the color to Purple Accent 6, which it still is. Actually, we're going to make that the 40% lighter, so that'll be this one. Huh. Oh, this one right here. Okay. So then we're going to type the address, phone number, and email address. Okay, so we've typed the address, which we found there. And now our cursor, now this is really confusing for a lot of people, so just pay close attention because it's really not that difficult. Your cursor is at the very end of .net. And you're going to go to the Home tab, Paragraph Group, which is right here. You're going to choose the bottom border, so we're choosing this right here. We're going to choose bottom border. We're going to click it again and choose borders and shading. This is our style. We're going to change the color to Purple Accent 6. Let's do 40% lighter. We're going to click OK. Dang it. I have to hide. Well, let's change that bottom border. Okay, so now that we've clicked bottom border again, it is showing up in the right color. We're going to hit Enter. Why did that not work? Okay, with our cursor outside of .net, we'll hit Enter. It will change the link to a hyperlink, so we're just going to right-click on that and remove the hyperlink. And then we're going to put our cursor right here under the picture and above the border. Then you're going to Home tab, Font box. You're going to click Clear Formatting. This moves your cursor under the line border and it moves the border back up. Bow. Very good. So now we've got the Home tab, Styles group, set no spacing style. So we're back to no spacing. We're going to hit Enter on the keyboard once. We're going to get rid of this menu. We're going to hit Enter once. Okay, so you're going to change your font size to 10. Use the mouse pointer to click the 3.5 mark on the ruler at the top of the page. So this is 3.5. This makes a left tab. See, it even kind of looks like an L. You're going to hit the tab on the keyboard and type today's date. Today's actual date. This is one of the only things we're actually changing about the content of the letter. Today's date for this recording is February. But you'll use 9th, 2016. You'll use your date. So then you're going to hit Enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Type the address of the letter's recipient. Then you'll hit Enter twice and type the greeting. Hit Enter twice and type the first paragraph. And that's where we're going to stop for today, is after you've typed the first paragraph. Okay, so to finish for today, this is as far as you need to get. You need to have the address you're sending it to, the salutation, and the first 2 paragraphs. Tomorrow we will insert the table and format it and finish the letter. So this is as far as you need to get today. Thank you. One final thing, make sure you do italicize Juniper Daily Herald. Make sure you italicize Juniper Daily Herald. Thank you, and I promise we're done.